So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix your AMAZFIT Balance 3 not charging. If your AMAZFIT Balance 3 isn't charging, then we'll need to check a few things to see if everything is correct. So first of all, this is the charger that comes included. It's without a cable, so you'll need to use your own cable, and it has a downside, but also an upside. The good thing about it is that cables mostly break on the length of the cable, on the cord itself, the wire, that way you can simply replace it, use any cable that's USB-C, but unfortunately you need to have your own and use your own. Now to put it on, make sure the pins are going to touch these pins. Put it on like that, and then it should begin to charge. As you can see, in my case it works and it is charging, but if it's not charging, try using a different cable. Maybe the cable is damaged. Make sure that it's plugged in all the way, and if that didn't help, try using a different charging brick. I'm actually using this one. It's from Ugreen, and it's quite a good one, to be honest. Just the bricks and the cables, it's best to make sure they are genuine. And what I mean by that, they don't have to be manufactured by Amazfit or by Samsung or some like very known brands, just from any reputable brand. You can look it up. If you're buying a power adapter like this one, you can look up what are the opinions about it and see if it's genuine and if it's good, if it works good. Now, you might also want to try a different power socket, because sometimes the socket isn't functioning. Try using the cable with your phone, for example, and see if it works. If the cable and the charger works with your phone but doesn't work with the watch, make sure that you are using the genuine charging part, this part that I'm holding. And this one actually has to be from Amazfit. Others will probably be not work properly. Make sure you have the one from Amazfit, this one that is compatible with Balance 3, because there may be also different types of the Amazfit chargers. Make sure you have the one that is compatible with Balance 3. Now if none of that helped, make sure to clean the pins on your charger and clean the pins on your watch. It's actually pretty easy to clean them. You can use a microfiber cloth or a Q-tip. That Q-tip could be soaked in isopropyl alcohol if you have access to it. Just make sure it's isopropyl alcohol and not just any kind of alcohol. That should help. If it didn't, then the last resort is to press and hold on the back button. This one right here. And then this screen will appear and you'll be able to restart the watch. That may fix the issue. And I hope that this video was helpful. If it wasn't, make also sure that once you plug it in, leave it for at least 30 minutes. Maybe after 30 minutes it'll start working. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.